Just a bit view around the harbour where we're sitting. This boat here is like very strange. It's like, I wonder how you get in it. Must have a door on the side or something, but it's just got a flat top. And that looks like some kind of fishing boat. Two big mast crane things there. And then over the water we've got the abbey and such on top of the hill. Up here. You know what, that's the old abbey. As I said, I've enjoyed the day out, like, but not somewhere I would come very often. Lucky it's a Thursday, I bet it's heaving on a weekend. Anyway, it is what it is. And there's a little bit of the town. So now we'll go. That's Whitby for you.